Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download and install BlueStacks, which is a free Android emulator that runs smoothly even on older computers. Head to the official BlueStacks website, grab the latest version, and follow the installation wizard. Make sure you have at least 4 GB of RAM available because the emulator needs breathing room to function properly. Step 2. After BlueStacks is installed, open the App Store within the emulator and search for Brawl Stars. Hit install and let it download completely, then launch the game. You might see a login prompt, so connect your Supercell or Google account to access your existing progress. Step 3. Now we're optimizing your settings for low-end performance. Go into BlueStacks settings and reduce the resolution to 720p instead of 1080p, which cuts down on graphics processing. Lower the CPU cores allocated to maybe 2 or 4 instead of using all of them, and bump down the RAM to 2 GB or less if possible. Step 4. Inside Brawl Stars itself, hit the Settings menu and turn off all the fancy graphics. Disable shadows, reflections, and particle effects. Switch to the lowest graphics quality option available, which might be labeled as low or minimal. Also turn off background music and sound effects if your system is still stuttering. Step 5. Finally, close any other programs running in the background before you play. Things like Chrome, Discord, and Spotify eat up your system resources. Keep only BlueStacks open, restart your emulator occasionally to clear out memory, and enjoy smooth gameplay on your low-end machine.